Sawadee-krap. Hi, my name is Teacher Mike.
And I'm Teacher Jason.
We hope you had a really nice summer, you're well rested, and are excited about coming back to school.
We're here today to tell you about the restrictions in place for COVID-19.
Okay, so the start dates are as follows. Grade 3, Grade 6, and Grade 9 will start on Wednesday, the 1st of July, 2020, and every day afterwards.
Then we'll have Grades 2, Grade 5, Grade 8, and Grade 11 start on Thursday, the 2nd of July, and every day thereafter.
And lastly, we'll have every other grade starting on Friday, the 3rd of July, 2020, and every day afterwards.
The Pratham students will start class at 8:30 a.m. and they will go home at 4:30 p.m.
Madhyam students will start a little earlier at 8 a.m. and finish at 4:30 p.m. as well.
Next, we need to tell you about dropping your students off at school. Students from MLP must be dropped off here at the St. Louis building. This is because they will be screened before they can enter any of the classrooms.
Also, if you do want to speak to any of the teachers, please make sure to book an appointment. This is because no parent will be allowed in any of the teacher or student areas.
Now we need to tell you about a few steps you need to get used to doing before you come to school. Number 1, make sure you're always wearing your face mask.
If your temperature is above 37.5, you will be asked to go home.
And lastly, make sure you always clean your hands regularly with hand sanitizer. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the stuff you need to bring to school with you every day. They are as follows.
So you're going to bring some face masks, one that you'll already be wearing, and also 2 extra spares. So that's 3 masks in total.
The next thing we need you to bring every day to school is your small bottle of hand sanitizer. One you can easily open and close and use as much as you need to.
And also, don't forget to bring your refillable water bottle. Here is some information about teaching and activities at school. All activities will be taught in the students' classroom, including their homeroom and morning assembly. All of the activity rooms will be closed, including art, science, and the computer lab. Some practical classes will be taught outside in the fresh air, but social distancing must be maintained at all times.
For some grades and subjects, students will still have online assignments. This means that should we have to change back to the e-learning system, students will still be familiar with the system.
Here's what's going to happen at lunchtime.
Grade 1 will be served first. Grades 2, 3, and 4 will queue up, always maintaining social distancing, following the markings that we have set out. Now let's talk about our classroom management. Each of our classrooms can safely occupy up to 20 students. This is while still maintaining the social distancing protocols, and all students will be required to wear face masks in the classroom.
The air conditioning will be on as usual, but there is a specific time when all the windows and the doors have to be opened. This is following advice from the Ministry of Public Health. At the end of school, make sure to come back to the St. Louis building to pick up the students.
And on behalf of all the teachers and staff here at MLP, we want to thank you for watching this video, and we can't wait to welcome you back to class this week.
Sawadee-krap. Bye!